Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how to crochet this cute ruffle strap that you can use for your phone or even for a bag. The main part, the base, I'm going to crochet with 2mm cotton cord. Leave a tail and make slip knot. But don't tighten too much, because we're going to work into this slip knot. Then 6 chains. The hook into the slip knot we made. And pull through 2. Then we turn wrong side and we need these loops from the hook 1 to under these loops. Then turn. Let's find these side loops into these loops, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, turn the hook into side loops again, and then we just repeat the pattern. We crochet stitches into these side loops. So we just turn these loops, turn, and simply repeat the pattern until your desired length. Continue working into side loops. I'm crocheting a strap for a phone to wear it just on my wrist, so I just check if my hand fits through it. Yeah, for me it's enough. If you're making a strap for a bag or you're making a crossbody phone strap, just simply keep crocheting until your length. When you reached the length you need, you make 5 chains, and make slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. This way. Then leave a tail and cut the yarn. Now with the needle we need to secure the end and weave in. Now I repeat the same with this end. First I secure it. Then I take yarn. I'm going to mix these threads together. I use fine yarn. Leave a tail and make slip knot. Then on the main part we're going to work into side loops. First on this side we make 2 rows with double crochets, and then on the other side. And I start into this place. And make 3 chains. In the first row we make increases into each stitch. We make 3 stitches in one place. These 3 chains imitate the first double crochet, then into the same loop I make remaining 2 into the same place, and I crochet over the end. The first increase is done. Then I find the next loop and make again increase. 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Keep making increases into each stitch, 3 stitches in one stitch, until the last loop. And finally the last increase in the first row, the last 3 stitches. The first row is ready. Then we make the turning chain, turn, and right now crochet the second row, but with single crochets and without increases, just 1 stitch into each stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, into the next and continue. And one stitch left, and I crochet into the third chain. I used 2 cm ring, and now I use these 2 loops.